Are you tired of dealing with painful periods every month? In this video, we'll share useful tips and introduce an incredible herbal remedy that can help ease your discomfort. How to make your periods less painful. Making your periods less painful is all about understanding your body and finding what works best for you. Many women experience cramps that can feel overwhelming, affecting daily activities. However, with the right approach, it's possible to ease that discomfort and enjoy a more comfortable cycle. By focusing on holistic methods that support your body naturally, you can significantly reduce the severity of your cramps. Remember, small changes can lead to a more manageable experience during that month. Herbs to relieve menstrual cramps. Ashak, Guatteria longifolia. Ashak is widely regarded for its ability to regulate menstrual cycles by balancing hormone levels. It helps reduce excessive bleeding and alleviate discomfort during menstruation, promoting overall uterine health. Lodra, Simplocos racemosa. Lodra is known for its astringent properties, which help control excessive menstrual flow and maintain a regular cycle. It also supports uterine health by reducing inflammation and strengthening the reproductive system. Shvetbij, Dolijos biflorus. Shvetbij aids in regulating menstrual cycles by supporting the detoxification process of the reproductive system. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce menstrual pain and discomfort, ensuring smoother menstrual flow. Supari, Areca catechu. Supari is traditionally used to regulate menstrual cycles by toning the uterus and promoting hormonal balance. It helps in managing symptoms of menstrual irregularities, like heavy bleeding or prolonged cycles. Herbal remedy to get rid of painful periods. Gynecure Capsule is a natural dietary supplement designed to enhance women's reproductive health by helping to regulate menstrual cycles and ease associated discomforts. Packed with the goodness of 28 powerful herbs, such as ashok, lodra, and nakesar, this formulation works to balance hormones, address menstrual irregularities, and minimize excessive bleeding. The carefully selected herbal blend supports uterine health, alleviates menstrual cramps, and promotes overall wellness. Adding Gynecure Capsule to your routine allows you to maintain a consistent and healthy menstrual cycle, ultimately boosting your reproductive health and vitality. Home remedies for period cramps. Apply heat. Using a heating pad or hot water bottle on your lower abdomen helps relax the muscles that cause cramping. It's a soothing remedy that works quickly, bringing relief by improving blood flow to the area. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps reduce bloating, which can worsen cramps. Add a slice of lemon or some cucumber to your water for extra flavor and hydration benefits. Try gentle exercises. Low-impact activities like walking or light stretching release endorphins, which are natural pain relievers. A short, easy workout can help reduce cramps and lift your mood. Sip herbal teas. Certain herbs like chamomile, ginger, or peppermint have anti-inflammatory properties that help ease cramps. Enjoying a warm cup of tea also promotes relaxation, making it a comforting addition to your routine. Combining these home remedies with a regular 3-month course of Gynecure Capsules can significantly reduce period pain and discomfort, making your cycles much more manageable. How to get Gynecure Capsules. Gynecure Capsules is a natural supplement designed to support women's reproductive health. These capsules help balance hormones and regulate menstrual cycles, reducing painful periods. If you're ready to say goodbye to those pesky cramps, consider trying Gynecure Capsules. You can conveniently purchase Gynecure Capsules online at ayurvedresearch.com. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Coming up next, herbal treatment for heavy bleeding during periods.